Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Sotheby's International Realty login, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Sotheby's International Realty login, begin by navigating to the Sotheby's International Realty website. Once on the home page, locate the login section. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be redirected to a password reset page. Enter the email address associated with your account in the provided field. Double-check your email for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a password reset email. If you don't see it, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for a link to reset your password. Click on the link to be taken to the password reset form. In the form, enter your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements listed. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Once both entries match, submit the form to save your new password. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the login page to sign in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, contact Sotheby's International Realty support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.